All right, guys, we're here at another video today. We have Javier coming. Today, we're going to be changing wheel sensors. He's getting an ABS code. So we're going to check out the wheel sensors, to replace them in the rear. It says, I guess, driver's side rear. So we're going to be doing that today. There's Javier. He just came over.
Good morning. How are you?
We're going to do some wheel sensors today.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. no more lights coming on in the dashboard.
Driving me crazy. They go and come back. They go up.
They go,
come
yeah.
back. And when they go on, the steering wheel gets harder too. It's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it does. It does a lot.
Google it. He connects a lot of things.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
So it's the driver's side we're going to replace first.
Yes.
So everything is out there for you. We got all the tools over here. Jack stands, tools, everything needed to do the job.
Thinking here, I think I'm gonna put it in reverse.
You want to back it in?
Yeah, I think so. It's a little bit more straight here, right?
Yeah, back it in. That's fine. Yeah, it's more straight down here. So this is not that hard of a job to do. So we figure we just get it done today. I'll be making him do all the work though. I was gonna guide him. Another just simple modification. Look it up on YouTube. They got a lot of write-ups on how to do it, and so it's very simple. The hardest part is just taking off the wheel. Come on. Come on. You're good. Yeah, I get that. All right, so we got the other one out. The clip was really tight to get out, but we ended up getting it out. Now we're about to install the new one. This one actually had a break in the line. Let me see where
it shows right here.
Where's the break?
Let's see. Lord Jesus, right here.
Right there.
Gotta show me.
Yeah, it had a break. So right in the line.
It was
probably touching.
It was rubbing the tires.
It was rubbing on something, on the wheel or whatever.
I don't know how you got loose.
But yeah, so that's why. Definitely this is this piece. That's why it's doing it.
Okay.
So now you just plug it in on the one side. Pretty hard to see in there because it's, tight. Just plug it in good and then put hold on, and then... all right, we'll do that. Yep. All right, now we're just running the cable. Put it back in all the clips.
Perfect.
There you go, perfect. Yep. So there'll be no more, hopefully no more ABS light. Everything should work fine. Push it down good, and then just put the screw back in it. That's it. Good.
Perfect. Look at the
Yep.
difference now.
Beautiful. Yep.
See, but I'm seeing. Look at something here.
Good.
See the cable? So
Yeah.
Well, the wheel shouldn't touch this.
No.
The reason was because this was loose.
That was off. Yep.
And it probably started touching.
Correct.
So should be good now.
All right. Put the wheel back on it. We'll take it for a ride and see if those codes go off, and it should not come back on.
You think it doesn't need to go in that rail inside?
And there was one?
That little rail should be fine.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
There's nothing going to interfere and grab it or anything. So. Got the beast in here. It's nice, relaxing. I cleaned her up yesterday. She's spotless. I'll take her out this weekend.
Yeah, we should go Sunday, VMP show. We've never been in that one.
No.
The new Cars and Coffees for Winter Garden. They're starting a VMP now, the last Sunday of the month.
Oh, the last Sunday of the month?
Yeah, it's a new show. They started last month.
Well, maybe we'll take the beast over there and put it back on a dyno.
That's good. That's a great idea.
Get a nice dyno video of that. That's it. Pull the jack stand out of there.
Got the next. See how we can get it now. All right.
Good job, Javi. Good job. I did have to go in there and help him, but we're not showing him that. We're not showing that.
Oh man.
Javier did all the work. So now torque them babies down.
It's already set up, right?
Yep. Just put the here.
Oh, yeah. Actually, on this one,
It might need to still need it because. Yep.
Well, it's pretty long too. You see it? So,
Yeah.
you know what? Let me try it.
Try without it then. Beautiful. Yes, we'll have some more videos up this weekend when we go do some stuff. Like I said, we might be doing a VMP and doing the, I'll probably do the dyno over there.
Okay.
All right,
No.
chalk her out of there. All right,
Clean out a little bit.
take her for a ride. Oh,
A little bit.
here, hold on.
Should I do a longer drive or what? I'm not sure.
No, we'll see if it goes away first.
Yeah.
Let's take a ride around. Let's go around the block.
Yeah.
You gotta take it for a ride. Yep. Yep. Did it go off?
Go up.
All right, did you get on it like you did last time all the way down the street?
I went all the way down, come back. I didn't send it hard, but.
All right, cool.
IBA's off.
Everything's off, good?
Everything's off. Maybe that.
Okay. If you want, I can take it for a ride so you can hear it. You want to video it?
Yep.
All right.
Do it. Luis Arroyo is gonna test the semi-stock GT350. Oh, wait a minute. I got the key. Here we go.
Clutch feels so
Soft.
light.
Soft. Yep. Go ahead.
All right, guys, I just got done taking it for a ride, and wow, it's been a while since I've driven a stock GT350. It definitely needs power. It needs like an extra 200 horsepower from the factory, but it's still, I mean, for what it is, it's still fast and it's still fun to drive. You know, naturally aspirated, of course. If you're gonna take it to the track, you need it naturally aspirated. But I enjoy driving the car. The clutch is so light compared to my Stage 3 Vengeance that I have. That thing is, it's hard. It's hard, but I'm so used to it now that it's good. But this one was super light, feather light. But everything's good now. No more lights. Javi, you happy?
I'm excited.
That's it, baby. He actually bought 2 of them, but we just replaced the one that we checked and it said that the driver's side was the one that was bad in the rear. And we found that it did have a cut in it. So that's why we had to do that one first. And then it definitely took care of it. But now he's got an extra cable in case the other one goes. So we'll put that on later on at another date if something happens to that. But that's it, guys. This is a little short video of the car. And just, you know, it's doing good. The car is looking good, driving good. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.